Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. For my new and returning subscribers, thank you so much and welcome back. So today I want to share with you how to do left side updo. It is quick, easy and beautiful. So guys, let's jump into it. So first of all, I will go ahead and unravel my twist. I've been carrying this twist for when my washer go for 1.5 weeks. It still look really poppy, so I'm just gonna unravel it very gentle. Then you will see what I will be doing with my hair. When you are unraveling your hair, if you find it a bit dry, just spray your hand with water or rub a little bit of your leave-in conditioner in your hand to make it easier for you. So I will go ahead and unravel each twist very gentle. You have to be patient with your hair when you unravel your hair. If you hear any noise in the background, very sorry guys, because it's a lot of noise here. So I will go ahead and spray with a little bit of water. I'm just gonna spray my head around, not the hair, just the front of my hair and the back of my hair. As you can see what I'm doing. So now I just grab a little bit of my Cantu leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna rub it through. Did you see what I'm doing? I'm not rubbing the leave-in conditioner all over my hair, just on the corner of my hair and the back of my hair, because this is where I'm going to walk through. So I really want this place a bit moisturized and soft. So I'm just gonna use this comb to try to just brush it a little bit to lose the coils that I have around my head. Okay, I'm not combing it. Did you see what I'm doing? Just using it like to loosen it a bit. Just brush it. So this is my brush comb. I'm just gonna brush the corner to make it look neat. You will need some bobby pins. I have to type here. Yeah, this one and this one. Okay, let's get started with the work. Okay, I'm just gonna show you guys from the back how I'm going to do it. Do you guys see that? I'm gonna start from the back, just pin it down. This don't really have to be perfect, okay? You don't have to be perfect. Just mess it around. I love messing around when I'm styling my hair. Just mess it a bit around, because this is the beautiful thing about natural hair. Even if it's not perfect, it turns out good at the end. So you're gonna pin the back. Just pin it, and I will start turning the hair to my left side. Do you see what I'm doing? So I'm gonna continue pinning down. Do you see the transformation? Just take it one side and start pinning. This is very easy. I've done this before long time ago, but I wanted to repeat it to have it here on my YouTube channel so you guys can also try it. I really like this style. So let me know in the comment section, will you try this style? Okay, did you see how it turns out? Yeah. So guys, you see that I'm just gonna fluffy my hair a little bit to give it more volume. Now I will go ahead, after I have fluffied the hair, I will go ahead and add my hair accessory. This style is so quick. It is so nice, seriously. I almost go to bed sleeping with this style, but that is impossible. I was just like, oh no, I don't want to take this style down because it is so nice. So yeah, just trying to fluffy a bit with my hand. You can use a white tooth comb to fluffy your hair if you want, but I like using my hand most of the time to fluffy my hair instead of comb because I find it easier for me. So this is the hair accessory I will be using. I'm just gonna go ahead and add it to my hair. After adding your hair accessory, if you find out that the hair is not fluffy to your taste, you can go ahead and fluffy it a bit more to get more volume. So guys, what did you think about this hairstyle? Did you like it? Would you like giving it a try? Let me know in the comment section below. Please also share this video with your friends and family because it might help them also. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and also turn your notification bell because that will notify you anytime I upload a new video. So I'm gonna add a bit water and I will brush the hair again. I'm almost done. Thank you so much for watching this video. I do appreciate you guys for your comments, your love, encouragement, and support. You guys are amazing. I do appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much again for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next vlog. Bye.